Hello, I am Mrs. Cavazos, and we are going to do a quick hot cross buns tutorial on viola. So here is a viola. If you do not have these don't fret or first fret tapes, I highly recommend them. They're not always completely accurate, it's like 100% because of weather and humidity and all that stuff, but they're pretty darn close. But you can purchase them online or at a music store. We are going to start hot cross buns with your F sharp. So on your D string, you have A, D, G, C. Your D string is going to be your second string right there. You're going to be playing F sharp, E, then D. So you're going to be playing F sharp right here, E, D, then you do it again, F sharp, E, then a D, D, E, F sharp, E, D. That's it, super easy. Those three notes using two fingers. Remember, as you are playing it in your perfect playing position with your shoulder rest, make sure there is space underneath, how you can kind of see underneath my hand, how there's like a little triangle. You can see it right there. There you go. You can see it where it goes through. You are not going all the way down to where your thumb looks like it's like all wiggling about, but it's leaving room, and it's also not squishing in what I call a pancake. So double check that you have it like this as you are playing it on your shoulder, or if you are playing it in guitar or ukulele position, then it's just right here. But let's try it again. So you're gonna do F sharp, E, D, F sharp, E, D, D, E, F sharp. I hope this helps you out. Practice it. It'll be super awesome. Comment, like, all the cool stuff to this video, and let me know how it goes.